Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. In the series of NLU vacancies, today we have come up with a new NLU which has released its notification. That is none other than NLU Jodhpur. So what are the details, how to apply, where to apply, let's have a look. So for your convenience, we have created a dedicated page from Abhyaas LawPrep for NLU vacancies. Simply type NLU vacancies 2026. A dedicated page from Abhyaas will be visible. So if you click on the link, a page will be opened where you can find the details of all the NLUs which has released the notification. So now here NLU Jodhpur, it has released one vacancy under OBC NCL category, All India category, and for further categories you have to apply it now, so that in future if any vacancies arises, NLU Jodhpur will be considered your candidature, so no further notification will be released. So here we have given a link, click on apply here, form will be opened, a page will be opened from NLU Jodhpur, fill your details and register, then you will get the further pages where you can pay the fee and all the documents which you can upload. So the details are, so the vacancy is under BA LLB category. There is only one seat for OBC NCL. The last date to apply is June 25 p.m. The result date was not given immediately. I think before June 21st or 22, result will be declared, and the application fee is 2,000 rupees. So don't wait for last date. If you have not got allocated to any of the NLU, please register your candidature to NLU Jodhpur, so that there will be a chance of getting a seat here. So further notifications, please follow Abhyaas LawPrep. Whenever NLU releases its notification, we will update it immediately. Thank you.